We've just made it to Park Guell, and this park is designed by Gaudi, and he also made the design for Sagrada Familia, the church. Work on the project terminated in 1914, and in 1926 the plot was officially opened as a public park. Gaudi lived here with his family until he died in 1926. He was knocked over by a tramcar in Barcelona and left to die after he was mistaken for a pauper because of his modest attire. We are now on our way to a bunker on top of a hill, and from here you can see the whole city, as you can see behind me. Morning is already KO. So it is a beautiful overview over the city, as you can see. Now we are going to take the drone out for a nice little flight. After this beautiful day in Barcelona, we grabbed some food at Guell Tapas and then called it a day, because the next day we had to pick up a rental car and drive to Andorra.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up, because it motivates me to make more videos.